Okay, guys, we've reached Brussels and just going to show you the small goodie bag that we've received from the global journey. And we'll be starting our global journey tomorrow. So this is how this year's bag looks like. So I've received a couple of bags. It comes in with every global journey package. And apart from that, these are the other goodies that we've received. The journey starts tomorrow. So this is a small invitation letter, or maybe welcome letter, I can say. When you check into the hotel, you get this sort of letter from the global journey. We're staying in Marriott, so obviously this is the Marriott key. And here's the Tomorrowland band that we are going to use this evening, starting tomorrow. From tomorrow or day after. Tomorrow is the invited Brussels and the Belgium journey, and day after from Friday, the festival starts. So this will be the band which will come in handy for the festival entry, and if you want to buy anything apart from it. This is one of the voucher that we've received. It can be redeemed for a glass of wine at the Tomorrowland restaurant in the festival. So this is one of the voucher, and this is the global journey book that there are different tasks. If I can show you a little, tomorrow the journey starts, and there are different type of tasks. It's kind of a treasure hunt that you go with different kind of people and do different tasks, starting with finding the location. Then you go and have this food and get the stamp done. Then you go show your flag and have the stamp done. Then you go get a picture clicked, and then find and more tasks going on. You go to this chocolate store, taste this particular sweet, and then going on, beer tasting thing. You go and taste some beers, Belgian beers and all, and then finally you go as in do the couple of drinks to finalize the journey. Then finally you go to the invited Brussels in the evening. That's again a different kind of experience, starting from 6 p.m. tomorrow. This is it about the journey. It's personalized. If you see, you have my name written on it as the personalized booklet. Every participant or every applicant gets it. And then there is one this small handbook that I can say. It's kind of a journal book. If you can, if you wish to write anything during the festival, you've got this kind of book handy. If you just turn around some pages, got some welcome letter and more details. So it's kind of a blank book. You want to write anything in it, and probably there's a bookmark here. And then if you go towards the end, you have the details. If you want to write, probably make some friends, mention their details and all. And in the end, you get two postcards. If you want to maybe post something, post a letter to your friend that you made in Tomorrowland. So if you turn it backwards, it's like a letter, a post letter, which you can just put down your message and exchange letters with your friends that you made in Tomorrowland. So that's about it. This is it for this. There's a small musical game that you also have received this year. I haven't read the rules so far because it's pretty late now, and we were out all day, so I was not able to play this game. But this is what it is, how it looks like. It has got some numbers and everything, and a lot of year numbers, and a lot of every barcode on and behind of everything. So yeah, you can play the game if you are available. So this is it, and guys, the journey starts tomorrow. I'll keep you updated, and hopefully we'll take you along. There is some sad news also, which I'll cover in the next video for the Tomorrowland main stage. But Tomorrowland is not just about the main stage; it's about the people. They come and unite together. So hopefully they will, will make the festival better this year as well. Let's see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching.